Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to run a saved macro in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. Before you can run the macro, you need to add the developer tab to the ribbon. Click File, Options, Customize ribbon, then go to the right and select the developer checkbox. Click OK. Great, the tab appeared on the ribbon. Now we need the macro. For example, I took this simple macro that fills any cell with green. To check how it works, first select a few cells and then go to the developer tab and click macros. I gave this macro an obvious name and I advise you to do exactly the same thing so that you can understand what the macro is for by its name. So select the macro and click Run. And as you can see, everything turned out great, but it's not convenient to run a macro like this every time. Therefore, I suggest adding a button to launch this particular macro. In the Developer tab, click Insert and select the button element. Next, hold down the leftmost button and draw a small or large button. After we release the leftmost button, a menu appeared in which we will link this button to our macro. Select the macro and click OK. We can place it anywhere on the sheet, and most importantly, now this button immediately runs the macro when pressed. So just like the first time, we select several cells and click on the button, and the macro immediately worked. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, this is also possible. To do this, click on the macros button, then select the macro and click Options. As a rule, almost all combinations with the Ctrl key already perform some kind of function, but we can create our own unique combination with the Shift key. Hold down the Shift key and select, for example, the M button. We had a great combination shortcut for our macro and we pressed OK. We check how the macro works using a keyboard shortcut, and yes, everything turned out great. The selected cells are filled in. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.